Umintri ka sarkar jila ubasan borsulai hagasing sajan ulap lipat ba ya ka surak ka bathamai ni ka link road ka bahalindet jong ka NEFA secretariat ka bahap ha containment area. Hagani ka jingpli ka ni ka surak thamai lai don lang executive engineer ka Shillong Central Division uba S Litep ka deputy residence commissioner jong ka Arunachal Pradesh ka Rani Mibang kinong ilam shnong bat kinong shnong ka thain laban. Habakran hagajing lang ubasan bor uloong bayagani ka surak kabadon ya kajing jong kaban North Point sispa prapusan kilometer late hagajing lot jing sep kabakot lai krur lai phundu lak khat phra hajar tingka ban pinsuk ya kalet kawan jungki kali hakanong ba shilong uloong bagani ka surak kadi kablashna da kajing ijingai jong ka sarkar MDA hapo kajing lam jong menteri rangba kajilla ukonrat sangma par usimbut menteri rangba uba president tensong ringkat bat kumu MLA ka than Bagani ka surak ka Shibinta jong ka Asian Highway ka Pinyaso ya ka Jilla Meghalaya bat kari Bangladesh lingba ka Shillong Tamabil Road.
So we have been experiencing traffic congestion so much on this portion, and to reduce the traffic congestion we decided that this alternate road should be proposed so that when this come to materialize, we are very sure that it will reduce the traffic congestion that in the junction of Anjali Pom. Because those coming from Upper Shillong side also, many constituency from the side who go for marketing to Yaudu, that also will add more to the traffic congestion on that junction. So, we from the department, we are very, very thankful to the government, especially to our PLUD minister, who is kind enough to consider our problem. He also, in coordination with our local MLA, minister in charge art and culture, they keep sanction this scheme and we implement it.
This scheme was jointly initiated like Litep executive engineer has said, that it is the ground force, the ideas, the suggestion which we have discussed all together, right from the top official of the PLUD and the top official of the government, and including me as the local MLA, where we have come up with one constructive idea that will approach the government of Arunachal through Madam Rani Dibang, who is the DRC of this Arunachal Secretariat, government of Arunachal. So finally, this is the initiative taken by the MDA government under the chief ministership of Sri Conrad K. Sangmaji, including the initiative of our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Shri Prastun Tansongji, who is also in charge of Pilri Road and Building, which was jointly initiated. Discussion from time to time, we have a conversation from time to time. As a local MLA, we have a joint initiative, and today the dreams has come true, and we are going to lay the foundation, to inaugurate the soon.
Ye nefas kerja hai bypass.